Alright, we're at BTB Kirribilli. Right across is on the north side of Sydney, over the bridge. If you want to visit Luna Park, it's just in that area. Some nice little breakfast options. And then got the old-fashioned stuff and the outside. Alright, the iced lattes. Look at these. Look beautiful. Alright, the cheese toastie with gluten-free bread. Yep. Look at that color on there. Wow. And then I went with the pumpkin soup here for dipping. We're going to kind of share it a little bit.
Maybe.
All right, guys. I should have videotaped when we left. That sandwich was one of the best gluten-free toasties I've ever had in my life. The bread you cannot get. It's actually a charcoal gluten-free bread that they only have here in Australia. Bummer. But we're going over to the bridge right now. We'll show you a little video of some of the stuff. It's such a cute district, little area to come over here and see if you're wanting to walk over the bridge. But definitely check that place out. The coffee, 10 out of 10. The lunch was amazing. I think it was like 50 Australian dollars. So that's not too bad, actually. All right, you can see it coming back over the bridge. The Opera House and the bay. All right, we'll see you on the next video.